can get started on our second background, and these are going to be for our nail polish bottles. So what we're going to do is create a splatter background again, like we did on the first one, but for this one we're going to take our just sort of regular watercolour paints, and I've also got some metallics, so I'm going to be using the silver metallic colour. So I'm just going to get the paintbrush, just going to get my acrylic block again like I did previously. I'm just going to cover that in some water, and we're going to go with a black splatter background this time. So let's just get that nice black colour in there, and then we can just go ahead and splatter our background. So just be careful where you sort of get it sort of around your desk. Obviously you don't have anything like your images too close so you accidentally sort of splatter them. So let's just do a little bit more just up here. So that's perfect. Let's just clear off the acrylic block, clean off my brush, and then we're going to go in with the silver. So this metallic will just add a nice little shine to our background. Let's just try and get a little bit more of that silver colour. Let's go in our water. Okay, that is perfect. And the last thing we're going to do is actually just to sprinkle some embossing powder. So this is just a silver embossing powder. I'm just going to take my craft knife just to kind of get that out. I'm just going to sprinkle sort of all over the background, and this will then obviously stick to anything that is wet or sticky. That's how embossing powder works. And then when we heat set it, it will be clear. And this will then stick to a lot of the sort of big splodges of ink that's on our background. So it's just, let's bring in our heat tool. Oh, I forgot. First, I'm just going to tip any excess there into the bin. So it's blown all that embossing powder everywhere. Let's just use our heat tool, and this will then just heat set the paint splatters and then that embossing powder. Oh, just knocked over all the brushes. So there is our background. And really, really textured. Lovely. Okay, so let's bring back our, actually let's just move this. All that embossing powder we blew everywhere. Okay, so let's bring back our foam pads. So I'm just going to eyeball this one now, rather than sort of using anything. So let's start, let's go orange at the top. So we're going to go one on the top, one on the bottom. So I'm just going to line this up with my mat. So So we're going to go one there. You know what, actually, I'm going to bring back this back just because I want it to, so I'm not going to worry about sort of adhering it down, but obviously I do want to make sure that it is straight in there. So let's see, so next we're going to go, which way should we go? So we'll go yellow. Let's go in there. So I might do, so again, just sort of seeing where we think it's going to be straight. So yellow, oh, I've stuck that on the other side. Oh, that's not a problem. So now we want to go green. Oh, just peel off those foam pads. And we'll just sort of line that up. So next we're going to go with our teal colour. I really love that background and that sort of texture. That is perfect. Let's go about there, turn it again. Now we're going to go in with our blue. So I'm just sort of making sure I can line it up sort of roughly with that one, the opposite one. Make sure I get it straight. Turn it again. So blue, we need to go to our purple. Again, just line that up. Spin it again. Then we're going to go in with our pink. I'm trying to remember the rainbow order here. And then our last one, our red bottle. So these are quite small images. Obviously you could make them, spread them out a lot more, because obviously this is a big card, but we do still want to pop a sentiment on here at some point, so you still need to have a space for that. So the final piece, in like that, and there we go, we have our second card. So you could put a really nice big sentiment then just across the middle. So let's go ahead then and adhere this to our matte and layer. Let me just grab that. stay organised. So our double-sided tape, again, is my personal preference. Okay, so we're going to do, so we've got quite a big border on this one. Let's just line that up in there. I'll just make sure that our cardstock is straight. Make sure the card is the right way. And there we have it, another 8x8 sized card. So again, all that needs now is just a sentiment. So here is our finished card, and I really love how it's turned out. So you can see we've popped a nice big sentiment on the front. The background, by putting that embossing powder on it, is really giving it some really nice texture and some nice colour to that background, and it was super easy to make. I really love taking that one image and turning it into a rainbow design like this. I think it's really effective, but it's really, really easy to do. So this video is part 2 of 3 videos that I'm going to be uploading. So I'll pop a link up in the corner to video number 1 if you haven't seen that. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks very much for watching, and happy crafting.